Hi there, hi everyone. We are back again with the second Sudoku, and this Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 19th, 2020. This Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 1907. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 13, 16, plus 4 is 20, 25 again. Unbelievable. Again 25. Normally it will be 24, but this one is 25. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. In the third row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7, no 7 in that box. Here 7, no 7 in this box. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 3. We see here 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and a 6 in those two boxes. The 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those for you. That means the other two boxes in this big square should be the 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. And then in this big square we have 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We see here a 9 and a 5 in this column, a 9 and a 5 in that row. So no 9 and a 5 in these 3 boxes, no 9 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 and 5 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes in there. Then 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. Yes, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 1 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 9 should be there. Then 2 boxes left. In this column, the third column, the 6 and the 3, 6 and the 3. And look, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column. The second column for the number 6. Those 3 missing numbers are the 2, the 3 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. Then in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square. So no 3s in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for a 3 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, the 4, 1, 4, and 6 are missing. 1, 4, and 6. 6 and a 1 we have here in the middle column. Yes. In this big square, 1, 4, and a 6 are missing. We see here 6 and a 1 here, so no 6 and a 1 in this box. The 6 and the 1 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 4 should be there. These two numbers in this middle column are reserved for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then these three missing numbers are the numbers 1, 5, and 9. We see here 1 and a 5, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see there an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers. The 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. We see here 6. No 6 there. Here 6. No 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 9 and the 5. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So on the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 1, this should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then, how about those two numbers? 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. Cannot do anything here. How about the 6? Yes, those two missing numbers in this row. The missing numbers here are the 6 and the 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left. Let me do these 2 numbers in the second row, the 2 and the 2 and the 2 and the 1. 2 and the 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Those 2 numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 9, we have a 3 and no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Those 2 numbers in the last row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are left. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow! I don't believe this. For a 4 Stars Sudoku, I have managed to solve this Sudoku under the 10 minutes. I can't believe this. Wow. I'm very, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic and a binary. Bye bye for now. See you soon.